Somehow I lost all of the audio for this beginning part, and that is why my mouth is moving differently from the words that I'm saying. Anywho, here we go. HTVRONT sent me their auto heat press too, and I was really excited to try it out. I've had the original auto heat press since it came out, so receiving this one was super exciting. I'm going to go ahead and get this out of the box and tell you some of the things that I liked right out of the box. I'm not at all sure why I thought that it would be a good idea to unbox this on this super high desk, because I knew the box was heavy already. So I struggled a little bit getting it out of the box and ended up having to take it down from the desk and put it on the floor to get it out of the box. It was packed in there really good. So you see me removing the foam pieces and then putting the box onto the floor to get it out. Inside the box was a Teflon sheet as well as a instruction card with QR codes for me to download the app and get maintenance and things like that. When I pulled out the drawer, I was really excited because on my original AutoPress, the top portion is covered by the heat platen. So there's not a lot of space at the top to get more bulky things in there. Okay, let's get it plugged up and see what this thing can do. You have 3 different QR codes on here. The first one is for usage and product maintenance. The second one is to download the app, and the third one is to join the community on Discord. We are going to scan the second one. Once you scan the code, the App Store opens for you to download the app and just let it do its thing. So now that the app is downloaded, I'm going to go ahead and open it, and you'll go through the permissions and set up an account. Now that we are in the app, we can connect a device, and it has all the devices here. I don't have the press plugged up yet, so let me go ahead and do that. And I'm going to my niece's graduation today, so I'm going to go ahead and press this DTF for the first press. What we're going to do is connect our device, find it in the list. It's searching my Bluetooth for the device now. Might help if I power it on. We're going to get everything ready for the first press. I really do like that this comes out all of the way. There's no gap, so you have plenty of room for things like hoodies or things that might be bulkier. This one is your power button. That is to set the time. The app had trouble finding my phone, so I would assume that maybe it's a little bit easier to set the temperature from the app. While that's heating up, I am going to go ahead and get my shirt ready. And I'm going to start by putting a little bit of a crease down the center. Pretty good. Just letting it cool a little bit. And now that it's cool, we can go ahead and remove that sheet. And it is pressed perfectly. One thing I need to figure out is what some of these buttons mean. So between now and my next video using this, I am going to figure that out so that I could tell you. in the next video. Thank you for watching me unbox my AutoPress 2. I still have a lot to learn about this machine. I need to figure out what the buttons are and what the settings are, but it pressed beautifully. So if you're excited about a comparison of the first AutoPress from HTVRONT, this AutoPress from HTVRONT, go ahead and hit the like button and drop me a comment below. With the fact that you can set pressure, I'm really excited to try this with puff vinyl. If there's anything else you want me to try, go ahead and drop it in the comments below. And thanks for watching. See you next time.